had reached out to our like general manager. He knew that I had been like I'd emailed, and we have our food pantry, and so he just had a few questions that he wanted me to kind of reach out about, just for clarity on like how the process would work and stuff. But they were very excited about it. I don't think that would be too soon. I just want to make sure I get them answers, and then we can kind of go from there. But,
and to be clear, even with the move, you guys don't have to do anything. Like, my team will do everything. I just want to make sure it's approved for us to move in. You guys aren't like, well, where the hell did this community fridge come from? You know?
Honestly, in Clarkston, stuff shows up at our shop all the time, so no one would be surprised.
Good morning, Maggie. Heard so much about you.
Good morning.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. It's gonna happen in all of 20 minutes. It's gonna be great. Yeah. We're gonna take a shelf as a unit, which is smart.
Yeah. But we can take the fridge now.
Yeah. Y'all can have the fridge. Strategy together for how to get the fridge out.
So lean it back. Maybe.
Oh, here, use this one.
You know what I'm saying?
So it's not, yeah, do you have that?
Oh, you gonna go
back here? Yeah. That's what I was trying to but yeah, I don't know if you ever.
This is just like the Makita impact driver. My most favorite tool of all time.
Yeah, that's...
This shit will make her
Insert ad here.
Exactly. Makita, be my sponsor. Give me 3 tools.
I'm just gonna toss this screw there.
Yeah, that's fine.
I was just gonna.
Actually, here, give it to me. And
Or are you gonna go from the back one?
Should we take those off?
This side's still have it, but we can go ahead and do it. That's all we have to do.
Lift it up.
We're just gonna try to knock this out. And we've never taken one down and walked back, so we're like, what's cool, you know? He's my build expert. He's built like a counter and car back. Cute though. Little baby one.
You're gonna have to come out straight, and then, you know what I mean? Yeah. There we go.
All right.
I'm thinking left to your right on them for the roof.
Probably go that way.
Right here. We have a lot of path, I think. Left stuff to go around.
Want to put this in?
Yeah.
You're gonna lay it down?
Yeah.
I don't think you can do that with fridges.
I know. You can, but then it has to stay up for 24 hours.
I got
plug
you.
it back.
All right,
Oh, it's hit.
a little wider.
You have to go up.
I'm trying to push it.
I got you.
There you go.
I guess if someone wants to stand here, it's eventually
Heavy, yeah. Hold on. We're gonna lay it down. It's heavy. It's getting stuck in the mud here. That's why I was hoping it wasn't gonna happen. That's why I was hoping for a dry 2 days.
You think it'll make it through this side? At least
It's not.
it's muddy.
I got it through here.
Fit is that up there.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
So I'll probably take. So you want to leave it right here? Stop right here. I'm gonna lay it down or sit down. I think we're gonna need another hand to lift it up into the truck.
We could lay it on its back and just kind of lay it on there, and then lift from the bottom. If you pull the dolly down to the street, and then we can lean it onto the curb, and then pull the dolly out. That'll be a good way to get that out. Try to get it. You got it?
No.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, now we want to what?
We can roll it closer to the. Basically, drop it
we don't
right
have it on
here.
this side, right? Because this is gonna get hooked.
Well, we're gonna lay it on its back.
Oh, okay. You're gonna turn it. I see what you're saying.
Okay, forward.
That's good.
Going down.
Yep. And we can take the dolly off.
I think we're clear with the door right here.
Yeah, I should be able to lean back.
It's gonna be a close one.
You want to take the dolly
Taking the
off?
dolly off?
Do you want to? I mean, we can leave the dolly on, honestly.
That's what I was
We
thinking.
got room.
It is sticking over though on this corner, so that it'll kind of be a little jagged.
Taller than I. Alright. This is got to be the
I don't think that's a good
I don't
spot
think that's a
to
good spot.
bring it up with.
Probably from all the way from the bottom.
Watch those
Are we
cracks.
doing this collectively?
Yeah, we're gonna have to. Okay, 1, 2.
Sheer power. Look at this.
People.
Give me a heart attack.
Here we go.
Boom. Alright, so this has to go on the side. Should we put
Yes.
on the side?
Okay, cool. Then maybe if we have leftovers, put like
Use that hammer and yes.
Whee!
There you got it.
I think those are all gone.
All right, try again.
We're going in there?
Yeah.
They wouldn't have come up from the bottom, would they? No.
Where are we going with
built
it?
the
To
other
you?
way,
Yeah, put it back in my truck.
Then
I'll show you up.
1, 2.
Yeah.
You got it? Yep. What's behind that? Shannon, hold on one second. I'm going to put it down. They're going to keep going. Y'all are going to Maggie's truck, right?
Yeah.
To your left. Just follow me, sir. I'll meet you. Yeah. Good morning. No, it's okay. Well, we're all going this white truck, we're all going to the same place. Okay.
Don't forget to smash that like button.
Smash that like and subscribe.
Yep. Yeah, that's pretty. As long as you don't go over like 60 miles an hour, you'll definitely be fine.
First of all, I'm impressed as shit out of us. We literally just took that down in 30 minutes. And we're getting so much better at this. We're a little rusty because we haven't done a build or anything in a little while, so I wasn't sure how we were gonna do with this. And we've never broken one down, we've only built it up. And so we weren't sure what we were gonna do or how we were gonna do it. But yes, we did it in 30 minutes, so I'm super impressed with us. I am relieved that we didn't have any neighbor encounters other than the nice neighbors who said they're sorry to see us go and they're really sorry that everything happened like it did. And so I appreciated that. But yes, I am relieved to be done with the drama and the negativity and to have Sandra going to a neighborhood and a community that's going to love her. I'm sure it won't be without these train tracks. I'm sure none of our locations are without drama or issues or whatever, so it's not going to be perfect. But I think overall we'll be able to make a positive impact in the community and have a lot less offensive crap, basically. Yeah, just the whole air of negativity just around Sandra at the Community Movement Builders location I just didn't like because of the neighborhood. Or the neighbors, I'll say, because it wasn't even the whole neighborhood. It was really just a few neighbors who went directly to, official authorities. And so it escalated quickly. When you get the police involved, when you get the city involved, there isn't a whole lot of time for negotiation, discussions, and mediating and all that. They just go straight to get the fuck out. And so that's what happened. And I'm glad that rather than fighting it, we decided to just move. Because ultimately I decided it's not worth the fight. There's another location 1 mile away from that location. So the people who were, although they're probably not going to be able as easily, obviously, to walk to get food, there is a location nearby for the people who were using Sandra at Community Movement Builder. So that helped me a little bit, knowing that we're pulling her, but they still have access not too far away. Although it still sucks. Knowing that Sandra's going to a better place, in my opinion, made it easier for me as well. But I definitely had a lot of anxiety around today. My stomach's been hurting, and I've been grumpy and just annoyed and sad, just in general, because I think this is the way all of this went down. I feel like we should all be ashamed. Not we all, but all of them should be ashamed, including the city of Atlanta. I think they should be ashamed at how they handled it, at how they got punked by like 3 neighbors who felt like the fridge was bringing undesirable elements and calling the police on homeless people. Like, I feel like they should just be disgusted. Honestly, I don't know how they're even going to sleep at night. Probably fine, because they clearly don't give a fuck about anybody. Because even in our efforts to get the people who were against the fridge to understand that the people they're calling the police on, those undesirable elements, are their neighbors. Because nobody goes, 10 miles, 20 miles, or whatever. These people are walking. That means they already live in your neighborhood. They're not coming from far away to come to the Sandra fridge on Welch Street. And who the hell even knows that's over there? Like, it's on a one-way in a neighborhood. Those are your neighbors that you're wanting to kick out and wanting to be arrested because they're hungry. I think it's disgusting, honestly. But I'm glad that Sandra's going to a better place. So it'll be good. It'll be good. I'm so glad to be done with that. So glad.